Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Talia and I make videos on all things you could possibly wear. And today I'm going to show you all my personal process of getting my lashes lifted. And I kind of walk you through the process throughout the 3 weeks from the first time I had them done. And since then I've gone for a second round and I'll talk a little bit about that. But before I do, I'm going to just show you guys my experience of getting my lashes lifted. Alrighty then, let's get to the clip. Okay, so it's been almost 2 weeks since I got my first lash lift. And this is what they look like now. Let's zoom in here. There you go. That's my current lash and I love it. I was told to consistently brush them, which I try to do. I've left my brush in my car, so like when I'm at a stoplight or something, I'll like brush my lashes. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased. They look a lot fuller for some reason. I was told by ALEXIS that when your lashes are lifted like this, they are just have more like room to like grow, and they're, I don't know. I'm not really sure how the science behind it works, but I can see why my lashes are growing more because they're not weighed down and like, you know, I don't know. They're just more separated and they're nice and feathery. I just really like them. Like, I feel like they look kind of fake. Let me zoom out now because I got a little too close for comfort here. Oops. But yeah, that's what they look like and I'm quite happy with it. She also said it's probably good to go at least every 2 to 3 weeks. It's just like getting your nails done. Like, she used the analogy for your lashes to like getting your nails done or acrylics. The longer you wait, the more damaged they're gonna look at the end. But if you're consistently going, then it'll look a lot better and it'll last a lot longer. So I might go, I'll probably go next week to get another lift because I'm really happy with it. And she always has really good deals. When I went, it was $20 and she was really nice about it. I went at like 11 o'clock after class and she was totally down. So she's pretty flexible. It just depends on her schedule, I guess. And she's very affordable and you get the same results as you would to like go to a salon and they'll charge you like $160 for it. Okay, like, and yeah, I'll do another update for next week and we'll see how it goes. Okay, it is Sunday, and almost 3 weeks out since I got my lashes lifted, and just giving you guys an update. This is what it looks like. I'm actually pretty surprised it's still, you know, curled because I've been rubbing my eyes a lot because of my allergies, and yeah, they're still hanging in there. Pretty impressed. We'll see. I'll probably end up getting it redone or relifted next week. Okay, here I am, present me once again, and I have since then gone for a second time, and I'm going to zoom in just to show you guys what it looks like. And this is without any mascara, and it's actually the end of the day, and it's been about, when did I go? I think I went Saturday. It's been about 5 days since I went for my second round, and I'm pretty happy with it. They look more full and they just look nice and fluffy. It's already been kind of like, you know, through it today, but I'm pretty impressed with how they still look because I feel like with my allergies I've been going in on rubbing my eyes, so I'm pretty happy with how curly they still are. And I think it is good to keep up with your lashes if you do decide to get your lashes lifted. But let me give some credit to the gal that did my damn lashes. Her name is ALEXIS and she runs her own beauty bar. Her brand is called the Luxe Beauty Bar and she's based here in Arlington, and she does lash lifts. She has just put out facial scrubs, which I will also do a review on very soon. She does masks as well if you do get your lashes done there. She tints them as well. The second time I went, I got them tinted. The first time I didn't. But yeah, she has amazing services. She's an entrepreneur and she had just started kicking off her business. So if you're into supporting small businesses and boss ass women starting their own businesses, then please hit her up. I'll put all her links down below, and yeah, go ahead and support her. And also, I just love my lashes. Like, I honestly, dude, I'm obsessed. I threw away my curler. There's no reason for me to have one anymore. I'll be going regularly because personally I have really long lashes, but they are pin straight just like every single hair on my body, okay? And when I curl my lashes, it only lasts me like 5 to 10 minutes max, and they go right back down. So, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with the fact that it does last this long. I waited a whole month to go back for a second round, and I think I'm gonna just start going once a month to keep up with it, to keep them nice and pristine looking, because if you slack off, it's gonna look a little ratchet, I feel like. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it kind of opened your eyes into new lash game, because to be honest with you, you can't beat it. And before I go, I'm going to show you guys what they look like when I put on mascara. I'm just going to go in with the mascara that I use every single day. It's the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline and Shayla, not Shay Mitchell, Shayla. Alright, and this is what they look like with mascara. And I'll zoom in just so you guys can see. I think my left eye is a lot better. You know, we always got the better eye. So there's my left eye with the mascara, and my right eye, and I can't. It's just on another level of like boom, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, please hit up Lex if you want to get your lashes lifted and you're in the DMV area. You can book an appointment with her super easily, and I know she has a Mother's Day sale coming soon, or promo, so definitely look out for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! So I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you... Where'd my brows go? Hold.